Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Guru, your go-to channel for the latest tech unboxing and real-world reviews. Today we have got our hands on an all-new OPPO Reno14 5G, a mid-premium smartphone packed with flagship-level features from a massive 6000 mAh battery to a 50-megapixel periscope camera. This phone is all about performance and style. Let's dive right in and check out what's inside the box and my first impression. The box is minimal as always, clean OPPO branding. Inside we get the OPPO Reno14 5G, a 80-watt SUPERVOOC fast charger, Type-C cable, transparent protective case, SIM ejector tool, and the usual documentation. Now directly jumping towards the phone feels premium in hand, weighing just around 187 grams with a slim 7.4mm profile. It comes with a flat 6.59-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness. The back has matte finish with a bold camera module, looks stylish and clean. In overall way, the design seems to be nice. While looking at the performance, the Reno14 is packed with the MediaTek Dimensity 8350, a 4nm chipset paired with up to 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. It's fast, snappy and perfect for multitasking, gaming or heavy usage. You also get Android 15 out of the box, skinned with the latest ColorOS 15, and it feels buttery smooth. Now what really the OPPO Reno talks about is the camera. The Reno14 features a triple camera setup with 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, 50-megapixel telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom and 8-megapixel ultra-wide for those big group shots, and on the front, a powerful 50-megapixel selfie camera with autofocus. Early results look sharp, vibrant and color accurate, perfect for the creators and mobile photographers. Also on the videography part, you can record videos in 4K, and yes, the quality is good too. Well, the battery and the features are also really great. You get a huge 6000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging that takes you from 0 to 100 in under 15 minutes. It's IP66, 68 and 69 rated, meaning it's dustproof, waterproof and built tough. There is also 5G Wi-Fi 6 dual stereo speaker, in-display fingerprint sensor and even an IR blaster. So that was your first look at the OPPO Reno14 5G, a phone that blends performance, camera and battery like a pro. If you're looking for a reliable all-round under Rs 40,000, this one is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments, what do you want to see next? A camera test, gaming review or comparison with Reno14 Pro? But before leaving this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Unboxing Guru and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.